Hey everyone, welcome to Ewok Rugs and Son. In our attempts to make many different videos, today we're going to do a looking for Bigfoot video. We're actually up in the mountains of the Catskills Mountains in New York. We're on a trail that about 5 years ago we were walking this trail, and it's a trail that's not well traveled, and we had knocks, and we knocked on a tree and we got a response, and then I did a pattern, and the pattern was repeated back to us, and then it gave a pattern that I couldn't even repeat. I followed that up with a Bigfoot yell, and everything stopped. So either I did a really good or bad Bigfoot yell, but it didn't work. I wasn't alone. I had my wife and my oldest daughter with me. I had my cousin Vinny with me. Yes, I do have a cousin Vinny. You weren't there. You stayed at the beach. But anyway, at the lake, I mean. So here we are on this trail again. It's some 4 or 5 years later, and we're going to see if we get any activity in knocks. I don't know if this trail has become more popular, but we'll find out. Okay, you ready?
Okay, yeah.
Gonna do some finding Bigfoot, Ewok rug style. Okay, doke. Okay, so
No,
this was something that I noticed on this trail time and again the first time when we were up here, that there are always trees lying across the trail, and they're not trees that have a stump anywhere. They just trees that are just like almost placed here, because if you look up there, you'll see there's no stump for this tree. But here it is, pretty much blocking the trail, and we're gonna have to climb over it. Or go under it. Okay, so as you can see, this is a very, very steep trail, which is also part of the reason why it's not often utilized. It also ends with a very steep climb on wet rocks. So unless you're an expert hiker, can you actually reach the next trail? We can't reach the next trail. So we take it up and then we take it back down. But this really is a very underutilized trail. Okay, so we've been hiking for about a half an hour uphill. We came across that one obstruction, and here's the next one. Its branches, actually, I don't know if you could tell, but there are two intertwining branches from different trees, and they're going in two different directions. Like this, right across the trail, with the next like this, right in front of the trail. So this is the second one we've encountered. We're not up to that spot where we had the knocking yet, but these are things I remember from the last time. So let's keep going. Okay, here we are, about another 10 minutes in. We got this other branch right in the middle of the walk.
And you can see that it's about to snap off right there.
It looks like it could have been pulled down, or it could have just snapped by itself, but it's right dead center in the trail, creating another obstacle.
Well, not really.
Yeah, it's got a little walkway there, but you got to duck. Oh, that's just a leaf. Oh my God, I thought that leaf was something. Anyway, I'm watching too many Bigfoot shows. Okay, Nicholas, let's keep going. We're about another 10-15 minutes away from where that knocking happened, so keep going. So this is actually a bent tree, which has been bent all the way over and is hanging, blocking dead center of the trail. So not sure what would have caused that. I mean, the leaves are growing up, so yeah, it looks like it's been like that for a while, but it's definitely a bent tree. Okie doke. Keep on going. Up. And here we go. More obstructions in front of the trail.
This one's gonna be hard to get through.
I know, that's the idea. They don't want us up there. Okay.
Okay.
No, not that way. Gotta go around it. This way. Go up and around, up and around. You get all pinched that way. All right, I gotta shut the camera. Okay, see you in a few. Okay, how much more of a no crossing do you want?
Look, there's actually a trail mark on this.
Trail marker on it,
And
broken.
look, if you come up here, it actually snaps in half. Here. And this tree.
There it is,
It all snapped in half.
right across. We're a few more minutes from our knocking spot, so let's keep on going. Go ahead, keep on hiking. Okay, so we're in the same area where I heard the wood knockings last time. They came from up there, and if you hear that in the background, it's some kind of weird bird screech, which I heard the last time just before the knock started. So we're gonna go a little bit more ahead, and then I'm gonna start knocking. Okay, let's go, keep going. Yep. I don't know if you can see the trail now, but it's heavily weeded, which means it doesn't see a lot of activity up here on this part of the trail. But if you can see, go up ahead, you got another big tree blocking the path. Okay, so we're about an hour into this uphill hike, maybe a little more, and we're in a really spot on the trail where not a lot of people come. And this is the area where we heard the wood knocking last time, which I got responses to. And then sent me a knock that I couldn't copy. So we're gonna try again. Don't know if we're gonna get a response, probably not, but let's try.
Oh, I hear it.
Shh. Response! Response!
Response! We just heard it.
Heard it. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. No response that time, but we definitely did get a response
The first time.
way higher up on the trail, which we can't really go that way because it's really weeded over. Again.
Yeah, I heard it. Try it.
Okay. Back. Okay. Is that it? Okay, I'm gonna do a pattern this time. There it is, there it is! Every time you point the camera towards me, it starts knocking. Do it to me, I'm gonna do a pattern. You hear it? Okay, one more time. Okay, let's stand over here. You still filming? Okay, so we did get a knock response twice. It was much further away than the last time we were here. It's way, way further up the trail, but the trail looks like it's been washed away. It's all weed covered. There's no way we're getting any higher. But the last time we did it, I'd say the knock was maybe 50 to 75 feet away. This time it was much higher. But I'm really excited that we heard it, right?
Yeah.
Really excited. I hope that the cell phone caught it. That's it. We're gonna head back down. I might then try a Bigfoot yell, because what the heck, what could happen? They stopped responding to my knocks. So let me give it a try. You ready? Let's see if they respond. How about a knock?
Do it again.
Well, thank you for responding the first time.
Do it again.
Okay, we're gonna head down the mountain.
We might do a time lapse.
Or you know what? Maybe we'll stop at another spot and do some knocks and see if we get any response. Maybe it'll follow us down.
Okay.
Like that, yeah. Twice. Nah, I shouldn't have done my Bigfoot yells. It scares them away. All right, yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
We'll try it further down. Too many bugs. Okay guys, we're about halfway back down the trail. I mean, it was really exciting to get those wood knocks in response. The last time we came here, like I said a few years back, we weren't Bigfoot hunting, nothing. We were just hiking this trail when the knocks came really close to us. And I just knew about it from the show Finding Bigfoot. So we tried it again on this trail. We did get a response, which was much further away. But let me try one last time. We're about halfway down the trail. One more time. Okay, well, there's no response, but I'm happy with the two we got up there, the two responses we got up there. How about you, Nicholas? Was that exciting?
Yeah.
Hearing those responses?
Yeah. So now I'm gonna go.
But, you know, when I was a kid, I spent my summers in a place not too far from here, and I had a lot of interesting experiences as a young kid that I really could never explain. And now, doing some research on Bigfoot and Sasquatch, you know, because back then I just thought there was one and he lived in Northern California. But now I'm convinced that a lot of my experiences had to do with a Sasquatch, or a few of them. But maybe I'll make another video about that one day. But for now, Nicholas is going to try one more time to knock. And then, thanks for watching.
Just for them.
Nah, it's done.
Yeah, we're done.
Alrighty, let's go.
Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you did,
Hit the like button.
hit the like button, share this video with your friends, your family, and yeah, we'll see you all next time. Peace.